Discount Appliance Repair DC is the top-rated appliance repair company in the Washington, D.C. metro area. We specialize in repairing ACs, refrigerators, washing machines, HVACs, dryers, furnaces, dishwashers, garbage disposals, ovens, and all air conditioning systems. We are the leading HVAC contractor in D.C., Maryland, and Virginia. Call us now.
I will be going over some of the services we provide. Our company is an appliance repair contractor that also specializes in AC and HVAC repair. We offer superior service and a customer satisfaction guarantee. Our services are extended to all of Washington, D.C., including the surrounding areas of Virginia and Maryland. Our appliance repair service includes commercial and residential appliances, and we make sure we get the job done right, on time, and for an affordable price. Our AC repair service ensures your cooling, heating, and ventilation systems are running perfectly in all circumstances. We also service refrigerators, as these machines are always working and any malfunction is an emergency. Call us right away if you are having any issues. We also conduct washing machine repair, HVAC repair, dryer repair, furnace repair, and dishwasher repair. Our garbage disposal repair is very convenient, affordable, and can be done with great timing efficiency. Your ovens are in great hands with us, so look no further and contact us right away. No matter the complexity or situation, you are in great hands with us. Call us now at 202-630-3390 or visit us at www.discountappliancerepair.dc.com. We look forward to helping you soon. Before you leave, as a gift from us to you, make sure you download or show this coupon to our technician after he shows up at your home. This coupon is just a first stage of savings you will experience when you work with our team. To download the coupon, simply go to the coupon page on our website and you will redeem your savings immediately. Where else will you find a better deal? Call us now